Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing you this very simple everyday makeup that I always do. I just normally change out the lipstick because this one is quite dark. I didn't realise how dark it was until I put it on, but I still really like it anyway. And along with showing you more of an everyday makeup, I thought I would show you some of the Ana Luisa jewellery that is absolutely perfect for everyday wear. So as you can see, I have the necklace and also the matching bracelet. So these are in gold. They do have two little circles. One is more textured like a rope and the other is plain. But these just look so nice once on. They're perfect for everyday wear. And also I will say with the bracelet, I have extremely small wrists, but it does actually have a few little circles you can attach it to change the size. So it's actually perfect size for my wrist. So I am so pleased with that because I really struggled to find bracelets. But this is just really nice, and the chains, as you can see, are so dainty. They're absolutely beautiful. And it's also quite a cute little design. Like, it's not too much, but you can still sort of see it, and it just looks really nice. Also, the necklace does have the same tag at the bottom, which has an A on, as you can see. And then like a little sparkly gem in the middle. So the necklace has the same. Obviously, it's under my hair at the moment. And all their jewellery comes in these little pouches which are actually magnetic, so they are perfect for if you're travelling. You can simply just throw the jewellery in, put it in your bag, you don't have to worry about opening or anything like that. And then this is the other bracelet. So this is in collaboration with Laura Blair. So this one has a little bar, and again it has a little gem in the very centre, and on the back it says time to shine, which is just so cute. And this bracelet is actually one where you pull it at the bottom to sort of make it tighter or looser, which is perfect because it means it is so adjustable, especially if, like me, you have quite a small wrist. Getting jewellery to fit can be quite hard, but I actually love bracelets that are like that. But again, this gold has just such a beautiful shine to it. It just looks incredible once on, and it's also very comfy as well because even though it is a bar, it's very, very lightweight. It doesn't weigh a lot, so you just go forget you're even wearing it. And Ana Luisa are actually running one of their biggest sales of the year because it is Black Friday. So they currently have a buy one and you get the second with 60% off. So you're getting such an amazing bargain for like these two pieces. You'll get one of these with 60% off. You're going to pay a full price for one of them, which is just incredible. I would be incredibly happy. They also make perfect Christmas gifts as well because they are just so beautiful. And like I said, with the bracelets especially being quite adjustable, you don't have to worry about getting the wrong size for someone because they do have different ways they can wear it and things. And a link will be in the description bar below, which will take you directly to the website with their 60% off, so make sure you do click that. It will be in the very top line of the description below. And trust me, you are going to be completely spoilt for choice once you get on their website. You will just want everything like I do. Well, anyway, we'll get on to now showing you this everyday makeup. So I really hope you enjoy it and find it quite simple to follow. that is my simple everyday makeup. As you can see, it's just 3 eyeshadows. You could just use 2 if you didn't want the corner. And like I said, I do change out the lipstick colour depending on what I'm feeling or which one I haven't used for a while really. And also I really hope you like seeing all this beautiful jewellery. I am just so in love with it. And like I said, they're currently running their huge sale for Black Friday. So if you buy one, you get 60% off your second piece. And a link to the website with this incredible deal will be in the description bar below. It will most probably be on the very first line, so you cannot miss it. And like I said, you will just be spoilt for choice. I just want everything off their website because it is so beautiful. And they do actually do some silver pieces as well, but the majority is gold. But I just think it is so cute because the chains are all so dainty. They just look amazing. And like I said, they are absolutely perfect for everyday wear because of the dainty chains, the little designs. Just, you're spoiled for choice. You have to go and click that link. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please get a big thumbs up and subscribe if you did. And also don't forget to go to the Ana Luisa website and check out their beautiful jewellery. If you have any suggestions for future videos you would like to see, please leave them in the comments below and I'll be sure to look at them and of course respond. Of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of my future videos because I have so many exciting plans and I can't wait to share them all with you. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you soon in another. Bye!